Did you know there's a faster way to insert a pivot table than using the shortcut keys?
Here's how.
Here's my data. Go to Insert. Click Recommended Pivot Tables. You might find the exact pivot table you need right here. If not, you might find something similar. Then click on OK. Here is my ready-made pivot table. Excel also have a classic look. You might like the classic look of the pivot tables because it has a really neat functionality. Right mouse click on your pivot table. Go to Pivot Table Options. Display, place a check mark for classic pivot table layout. This is going to enable dragging and dropping of fields. Let's say you don't want the client. Now notice there is this border around it. It means the classic layout is enabled. I'm going to click on this cell and drag it outside the pivot table. It's gone. I want to add client to the pivot table. I'm going to select it or drag it and drop it in the values field. Let's say I want to add state as well. Select it and drop it to where you want it. Okay, so that's my pivot table tip for you.